Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start data science learning. First, build a strong foundation by understanding core concepts like statistics and probability. Then, dive into programming with Python or R, mastering basic syntax and data structures. Simultaneously, brush up on essential mathematics, including linear algebra and calculus, which are crucial for understanding algorithms. This initial phase sets you up for success in your data science journey. Next, focus on acquiring essential practical skills. Master data manipulation using powerful Python libraries such as Pandas, which allows for efficient data cleaning and transformation. Explore data visualization techniques with tools like Matplotlib or Seaborn to uncover insights from your datasets. Additionally, gain proficiency in SQL for querying and managing databases, a fundamental skill for any data professional. These tools are vital for handling real-world data. Now, let's delve into machine learning fundamentals. Understand the differences between supervised and unsupervised learning paradigms. Begin implementing basic machine learning algorithms, such as linear regression or k-nearest neighbors, using libraries like scikit-learn. Crucially, learn to evaluate your model's performance using appropriate metrics like accuracy or precision, ensuring your models are effective. This step is key to building predictive capabilities. Finally, continuous practice and learning are paramount. Apply your acquired knowledge by working on real-world projects, perhaps from platforms like Kaggle, to build a robust portfolio. Participate in online competitions to challenge yourself and enhance your problem-solving abilities. Always stay updated with the latest technologies, tools, and research in the rapidly evolving field of data science. This dedication ensures sustained growth and relevance in your career.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.